Now let's see how we can customize footer in the WoodMart theme. So here is the footer. So to customize the footer, you can over edit with Elementor, and here you will see footer one column dark. So just open this, and here you see the first column of this footer that you can customize using this thing, using this option, and the other options and the other things you can customize with another method that I will tell you. So now go to the website, and here we can upload the new logo, and here we can add a description of the store that currently I'm not adding. You can just update it over here, and here you can see the address, phone number, and fax. You can update it or remove it if you want. So just click on publish, and now let's go back to the store, click refresh, and here you can see the updated information. If you have any question, just reach me out on my website via the contact form. All the contact details are provided in the description, and I will also provide the links for the web hosting that I recommend and I personally use in the description of the video. If you will purchase the web hosting or theme or anything using the link provided in the description, then I will receive a little bit of commission that help me create these type of free videos for you. So that's it for the video. Like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.